Grouped anagram. This LeetCode medium question has been asked in Meta, NVIDIA, and many more companies. Here, we are given a bunch of strings inside an array, and we have to return a array pack in which we have to group together strings which are of a similar order. And what should be the order? The order should be that they should be anagram of each other. So what's an anagram? That same letters but different order. You can see right here that NAT and TAN are made up of the same letters, but they are just rearranged in a different order. So to solve this question, the core idea should be that if the sorted version of the strings match, that means they are anagram of each other, and if it doesn't match, that means it's a new word. So to solve this, what we will do, we will run a loop over this array, and we will sort the word as it comes. So first the word EAT will come, and the sorted version of EAT will be AET. Now the main question remains that how we will know that there is a word which has the same letter. To know this, we will use an hash map. So what we will do, that we will check that is if the sorted word is in the map or not. So for the first iteration it will not be there. So what we will do, we'll create a new array list, push the word inside that array list and put that in the map. So it will be like the key will be the sorted word and the value will be a array list in which the value is stored. Now NAT will come, the sorted version of NAT will be ANT. So again, this part of the loop will run. Now for the third iteration, TAN will come, and the sorted of this will be ANT. Now when it comes here, we will see that the map already contains a key which is ANT. So we will simply get the value assigned to ANT and we will add the word in it. So the array list will grow. Since it is an array list, it can grow, and it will be TAN. Now the third word will come, that is BAT. The sorted version will be ABT, and this part of the code will run because there is no key as ABT. So ABT will be pointing to BAT. Now at last, we have to create a new array list containing of all the values of the map, and we will get our desired result, which is this. To solve this, time will be n into k log k, where k is the maximum length of the string present in the array, and space will be n into k, where n is the length of the array itself. So the code for this in Java, C++, and Python will be on screen right now, and I will see you in the next one.